Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set your photo as a wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So first I'm gonna take the photo. Then, to easily set it as wallpaper, go to the settings, then wallpaper and style, change wallpapers, gallery, select the photo that you want to set, then click on done. And now you can select whether you want to set it for lock screen or home screen. I'm gonna set it only for lock screen, then click on next. Now you can adjust it a bit, zoom it in, zoom out, and so on. You can also add a frame and effect onto it. I really like this frame and the dark effect, which is this one. You can also change the color for it. So I'm gonna slightly change it, like to something like that, I guess. I believe it was that. Yes, done. And now it is applied, and I can click on apply and done. And now this is my new wallpaper. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.